Hello and welcome to another garden update. I'm starting with the daffodils. This is a tropical isle, and you can see that more than half of the buds blasted, so they're dried up and they're not going to open, unfortunately. Double cultivars of daffodils, in my opinion and experience, they don't like quickly warming weather, so most of them are finishing up and not much to see. The lilies are sprouting. We had a small frost this morning, so some of them look a little bit tired or frozen, but they will be alright. And I'm very proud of my eryngiums. This is Neptune's Gold and the other one is in bud. So I grew them from the last one from seed. And I have my wonderful Fritillaria, imperialis, aura marginata and aurora. And you can see these are bird pollinated because there are lots of pollen. Sorry, not pollen, nectar. And I'm zooming in for you. So you can see the white nectaries and the drops of nectar. You can actually taste it if you want. So there's a drop of nectar. Lovely. And so this is the beginning of April, the 11th. We're going to have a general election tomorrow, and still lovely. Daffodil Capiti Peach is nice, and you can see the lilies are sprouting, and well, there's always some weeds to weed. But the most interesting part that there is still a few ice left in the water. But my lily seedlings are looking good. So these were all sown last summer, division 2, 3 and 4. And they just started to sprout. And even though we had ice, frost in the morning, they look quite okay. And now, after jumping all the what's this, drip tapes, I can show you my where is it? This here. This is a Lily of the Valley selection, and this is the earliest that I know of. So it started to flower 2.5, 3 weeks before the other cultivars. Here too, mix of seedlings. And I'm very happy that I'm going to have a lovely amount of flowers on prolificans. Nice pulmonaria, and I have my hosta, miniature hosta collection sprouting. Hopefully they don't get frozen down. And Primulacia boldia, double pink form. I have to look up the name, and this one is Aquilegia Aquilegia pumila maybe. And the last thing I would like to show you is that I have built a raised bed for the lilies, and this is coir, and I had to buy some coir because I ran out of it, and soon I'm going to plant this with lilies. Oh, the imperial is flowering, how nice. And some pulmonaria. Oh, this one looks bad. So, not all lilies like early frost. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.